Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today in this video we will be working with this model. Let's open a new part and step by step build it. Firstly, in front plane I'm going to create a sketch, and here I will place one rectangle, this edge vertical, and here across two line the dimension is 6. We close this and we make 22 length extrude. After this operation, we create here one sketch. We place here one circle and we click circle and edge while Ctrl is pressed and we select tangency. This is a nice trick. Check now. Flip side to cut, draft 45° and say OK. You have here a nice chamfer. Then we create here another sketch and place a diameter of 5. Yes, that's good. And close sketch and make it 10mm length extrude. So this is what we would like to have, and we look from side. On the right plane we create a sketch and we pick a line and place in the middle of the model. After that I will create here one more line, something like this, and convert this one to a construction geometry. Then I pick a spline, I combine these 2 points. I'm a little bit playing with my spline. Ctrl is pressed, spline selected, line selected, and make a tangency. Here we are giving a tangency value of 20. Here we have a 9, and from here to here in total we have a 1mm thickness. So this can stay, but let me tell you my values. Here let's make it 35, and the value here let's make it 6. Everything is black. Right click, select chain, mirror entities, and the mirror above will be this line. This is good as well. We go to Extrude Cut. True all, both should be active because we work in the midsection. So after this operation we click front plane, we select plane, and we are going to make a 10mm create one more plane. So in this point we are going to create one more hexagon. This edge is vertical and across the edge's length is 14. This is what we wanted to have. So we close the sketch, we go to Loft. Sketch is already selected because it was actively selected here, and then the next command understand that you are going to use one, and we select this one and we change our control points. Face is here, and I will open here tangency to face, and I will say it in this value I'm okay, and keep it how it is for me. Now we can create on the top plane one more sketch. Top plane selected, sketch is selected, and from here to here I create a construction geometry. Here I place a length 18, 2 times circle, outer circle 18 as well, center is 4. So after this I'm going to combine this point with an arc. I will select this one, say tangent, then I will come to my circle, and I will say tangent as well. Then we have this shape, mirror entities. We select mirror about. This will be mirrored, and program mirror it for me. And then I send unnecessary parts. This is good. And here I create a line as well. So after this operation, we close this. We go extrude base, post base in the mid plane, 4mm thickness. So these are almost the last operations. Right plane selected. We look normal to create there a sketch. From my origin to this plane, this point, I'm creating a construction geometry. And then from this point to here, I'm placing a spline. So it is good to have here one extra line where we can give tangency to our straight line, our spline. Here the value is 40, and this point is 1.5, and my angle from here to here 145, and then the tangency value is 20, something like this. We can keep how it is now because we can cut objects without a closed contour. Extrude cut is active. True all both will remove the parts that you don't want to have. Top plane is selected. We need this plane. We go mirror, features to mirror. If we select the cutted face, it will exactly mirror it for us. So almost last operations. Fillet, 1mm. I select my edges here. Sorry, on the edges, not surfaces. It is nicely done. We come here, fillet. Now 0.5. These two edges selected, and that point, that edge is also chamfered, the radius, the fillet. Chamfer we select now here. 0.5 is good. Maybe a little bit less, and then operation is done. If you change display state, you will get this nice shape. I will look from top. Yes. Yeah, this was all. If you like it, please hit the like button and make a comment. See you in another video.